Hi, today everyone I'm going to show you how to know the divisibility of any number by another number. This rule has many cases and we will begin with the first case now. And the first case is if you have a single digit number or a double digit number. For example, let's take any single digit number, for example, like 7. If we want to know it's the divisibility by of another number, we will need to find the nearest two digit to the 100 that are multiples of 7. And the nearest two numbers are 105 and 98. These are the nearest two numbers to 7. So, if you want to use the 98, you will have to add 2. You will have to multiply 2, then add 2. And if you want to use the 105, you will have to multiply by 5, then make minus. Okay? So, for example, let's take any example, any number that is divisible by 7. For example, 6,265. Okay. So, if we want to use one of these numbers, and I prefer the 98 because it's only 2, So the first step is to take the first 3 numbers from the left to the right, okay? And which are the 6 to 6. Then take this 6, multiply by 2, which will give us 12. And this 12 added to the next digits. So if we added here this will be 38, okay? Then we will bring the 5 up. This will be 385. Then we will make the same with the 385. We will move consecutive. Then we multiply 2. This will give us 6. And then we will add this to the 85, which will give us 91. And 91 is divisible by 7. So this whole expression 6,225 is divisible by 7. Okay. So now we will take the double digit number. Let's take any number, for example, 26. Okay. Find the nearest two numbers. The nearest two numbers to the 100, which are factors of 26, which are 102. Sorry, 104 and 78. So as we know, here we will use the negative 22. Positive, or you will use the negative 4. And obviously we will use the form make minus, because it's the easiest, because it's much easier than 22 and multiply. So let's take any number, for example, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6. This number is divisible by 26, and we will use the same rule as the one we used with 7. We'll take the first 3 numbers, multiply the first by 4. This will give us 8. This 8, we will minus it this time because we are using the number above 100. So this will give us what? 36. And we'll add put the next number up, 366. We multiply the 3 by 4 give us 12. 12 minus it to this number, it will give us 54. Then we will add the next number up. It will be 546. 5 we will multiply it by 4. Multiplied by 4 minus here, sorry, because of the space. So here this will give us 46 minus 20, which is 26. So this means this whole expression is divisible by 26, and this can work for any single or double digit number. They are nearly the same. So now we will go to the third case, which is when you are using the minus method and you have the next two digits are less than the product of the first number. For example, if I want to know the divisible 7 and I want to use here 7 and I want to use 105, so this means we will multiply by 5 then make minus. For example, we will take this number 7 3 4 2 0 3. Okay, now we will take the first three numbers, multiply the first by 5. This will give us 35. Then we will minus this to this number 34. But the problem is here that 35 is greater than 34. So here we will multiply by 10 and we will take the next three numbers. Why? Because instead of using 7 and multiply by 5, I will use 70 and multiply by 5 and use the next three digits. So let's continue down here. 7 3 4 2 0 3. Sorry, I'm missing a digit here. Apologize. Must be a 3 here, sorry. So we will continue and use the next three digits. Multiply by 70. This will give us what? 350. So we will minus. This will give us what? 7. And we'll continue here. It's 203. We will bring those two up. We'll bring this 2 up. This will be 2 and 0. Multiply this by -5. And again, we are facing the same problem. We will here use 350, sorry. Minus, this will give us 147. So this one is pretty easy. Of course, this number is divisible, but anyway, I will do steps. 1 multiply 5, this will give us 5. 5 minus this give us what? 42. 42 is divisible by 7, so this means this whole expression is divisible by 7. So now we will talk about the last case, which is if you have a 3-digit or more number. For example, let's take a number like 100. 58. The nearest two numbers to the 1000, because this number is above 100, so we must use 1000, are 100, 1106, and 948. This we will use plus 52. This one we will use, or we can use the 106 and make minus. So obviously I will use the 52 because it's much easier. And for example, let's take any number like 100, like 11692. Yeah. So here we, instead of taking two numbers after the number we multiply, we will take 3. So this time we'll take 3, which the total number inside this box will be 4. And if you have a 4-digit number, you will take 4 digits after it, and so on. So the total will be 5 in the 4-digit, and so on. You can increase the number. So here we will multiply the 1 by 52. This will give us 52. We will add it to the 169. So this will give us 2, 1, and we will put the 2 up. So we will do the same, multiply this 2 by 52 and add it. So this will be 108 plus 104, plus 212, which will equal 316. So this is obviously 316 is the double of this number, and this is 316 is divisible by 158, which means that this whole expression is divisible by 158. By the way, guys, I wish this method has helped you, and that you will use it. And I am the one who invented this method. And take a note that as the numbers increase, the distance from the hundreds and thousands will increase as well. So the products will be higher, and the sums of numbers will be high. So as the number increases, the rule becomes on. But I think this rule is much easier than using divisibility, or maybe they are the same difficulty in using, and that I hope that you use it when you want to know the divisibility of numbers, and that's it. I think it's pretty simple, doesn't have many steps, and easy to memorize or even understand. And I hope you enjoy, and thanks, and bye.